I would like to have a class list of all my parent phone numbers, and I don't want to go through one by one. So what do? One, I make sure I'm on the pages section, and then I look under student data and select view all reports. I would like to have a class roster. Now, where it says report format, it defaults to PDF, which is really good for printing. But what if you want to work with this? What if you need to send a report to your principal? What I'm going to do is I'm going to select this drop-down menu and I'm going to do XLSX, which is Excel. And I'm going to make sure that I have my phone number selected. And I'm coming to my first period. I tried to click on my advisory class and I got an error. So first period does work. I'm going to select Run. And I'm going to View Report. Notice it downloaded it for me, and that's because right over here, this is an Excel document. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Google Drive. I'm going to click on New, and I'm going to upload that file. And here it is. Notice down in the bottom corner, it says it's uploaded. I can click on it, and I'm going to open it as a Google Sheet. I have student phone numbers, and when I am done making my notes, I can click on Share and share it with my principal.